You can change the levels in Capcut Mobile. Free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video clip, highlighted, and scroll to the right. You see the option Adjust, Video Quality and Auto Reframe. Now you want to scroll to the right. You see the option which says Graphs next to HSL and Highlights. If icon's going to show up, you can click. There's a point in the middle. You can drag this up. Notice the color is changing, and if we drag this down, the color is also changing. Even move this to the right, up, move this to the left, up, down, change the highlights, the contrast, etc. Happy and satisfied, click the check mark icon on the top right hand screen, check mark on the bottom right hand screen. And you have successfully changed and adjusted the levels in Capcut Mobile completely for free.